Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Pass. Today we will share you an unique chicken recipe, mushroom chicken. This is very unique and healthy recipe too. So before starting this, please make sure that you have already subscribed to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get more such delicious recipes. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. We have taken 700 grams of boneless chicken, 400 grams of button mushrooms cut into slices, 2 medium-sized onions cut into big cubes. We have taken some spring onion whites, roughly cut it into 1-inch pieces, 1 medium bowl of spring onion green, 1 medium-sized capsicum cut into thick slices, 7 pieces of slitted green chilies. Now we will prepare a sauce. For this we have taken some tomato ketchup. This is half of a medium bowl, a teaspoon of ginger paste, 8 cloves of garlic and 3 pieces of dry red chili. Now we will put these 4 ingredients into a mixer grinder and we will make it into a smooth paste. Our paste is ready. We will keep this aside for the later use. Heat 5 tablespoons of refined oil in a karai. Once the oil is hot, add sliced capsicum into this. Saute this for a minute in medium flame. Add sliced mushrooms into this and saute it well. Fry this well until it is soft in texture. Mushroom releases water, so fry this in medium to high flame. Once mushroom becomes soft, add onions into this. Saute this for a minute in medium to high flame. Next we are adding the chicken pieces into this. Saute this for 2 minutes in medium to high flame. Next we are adding a tablespoon of white pepper powder. Mix it well and saute it for 2 more minutes in medium flame. Next we are adding the slitted green chilies and salt followed by. Add salt as per your taste. Mix it well and cook it for few more seconds in medium flame. Now we are adding the spring onion greens into this. Mix it well and cook it for few more seconds in medium flame. Next we are adding the spring onion whites. Cook it for few more seconds in medium to high flame. Next we will add the sauce which we have prepared before. Mix it all together very well and cook it for another 5 minutes in medium flame. Stir it continuously and mix it all together very well. Add some chopped spring onion greens and mix it well. Make sure everything is cooked perfectly. Our mushroom chicken is done and ready. Transfer this into a serving bowl and enjoy this with roti, paratha or fried rice as per your choice. You can garnish it with some boiled eggs as well. We are showing you how. For this we have taken 3 pieces of boiled eggs and deep fry it very well until it is golden in color. Sprinkle some black pepper powder and red chili powder and coat it very well. Then cut the each pieces of eggs into halves and place it like this on a serving plate. Put the chicken in the center and garnish it with some spring onion greens. Do try this unique recipe once at home and do let us know in the comment section below how it turned out. Stay tuned to get more such upcoming delicious dishes. Thank you for watching. See you soon.